Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer IRA assets from Empower to Fidelity, complete guide step by step clearly. To transfer IRA assets from Empower to Fidelity, begin by gathering necessary documentation. Make sure to have your Empower account number and your Fidelity account number ready. Visit the Fidelity website and log into your existing account. If you don't have an account, create one by following the registration prompts. Once logged in, navigate to the Investment Accounts section. Locate the option for Transfer an Account or similar wording. Select the type of account you wish to transfer, specifically an IRA. Choose Empower as the financial institution from which you are transferring assets. Fill out the required information about your Empower account, including your account number. Indicate the amount or percentage of assets you want to transfer. Fidelity may ask you for additional information, such as your Social Security number or other identification details. Review all entered information to ensure it is accurate to prevent delays. Submit the transfer request through the Fidelity platform. You will receive a confirmation email or message regarding your transfer request. Next, contact Empower's customer service to inform them of the transfer. Provide them with any required details to facilitate the transfer. Empower will then process the transfer request. This process may take several days to a few weeks, depending on both institutions. Monitor your Fidelity account for updates on the status of the transfer. Once the transfer is complete, review your assets to ensure everything has been moved successfully. If necessary, make any adjustments to your investment allocations within Fidelity. You can now start managing your IRA assets with Fidelity's platform. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.